Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Fikro Khabar. You are watching Islamic World today. Erdogan to discuss issues of Islamic world in Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur summit to be held on December 18 to 21 to identify problems faced by Islamic world and to offer solutions. Qatar vows to support for Libya's UN recognized government. Qatar reiterates support for efforts aimed at restoring security and stability in Libya. Regime airstrike kills children and owns 7 in Syria's Idlib. Attacks targeted Masurian town in Idlib province. Turkey, EU should increase funds for Syrian refugees. Turkey hopes to open a new page in relation with EU, says Turkish Deputy Foreign Minister. US says Iran proxies carried out series of base attacks. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said attacks by Iran and proxies that harms American allies and interests will be answered. Iraq arrests 5 over lynching teenager in Baghdad. Angry mob lynched teenager hung his body by ankles from traffic light pole in Baghdad. Tension escalates among protesters and police in Lebanon. Protesters and police injured amid protest in capital. 9 Houthis killed in attack against Yemeni government forces. 17 rebels injured in attack in Ad-Durayhimi district south of Hodeidah. Libyan Embassy in Egypt closes indefinitely. Egypt's official news agency cited security reasons for closure. Sweden, far-right groups spew anti-Muslim hate online. Expo magazine exposes Swedish closed social media group conversations rife with racism and death threats. Malaysia, nearly 4,000 residents evacuated after floods. Residents in Johor state placed in safe areas. Bangladesh, death toll claims to 16 in factory fire. Illegal plastic factory in outstreet of Dhaka was operating without emergency exits. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.